Why is my camera so blurry? Y'all won't believe this. I answered in Zulu today. So I ordered myself some KFC for tonight because I just got back to school from recess. So I literally just got back to my apartment. I'm not about to cook and do all that because I'm lazy, not because I can't. So I've been chilling all this time, like doing my hair, but I am so rude, y'all. Hey bruvies, welcome back to my channel. I am Rata K, and thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching. So I'm gonna take you guys on my night routine. So I need to do like so many things, like change my sheets because ew, and we also need to do my hair. I need to wash the dishes because when I left I did not wash the dishes. Who am I? So I'm gonna do all those things, but I just felt so proud of myself. I'm like, I did a whole greeting in Zulu, but we say thanks to my roommate because she is Zulu and she greets me in Zulu, and I greet her back in English as if I don't know how to greet back in Zulu. But this time I was like, let me put me to the test, and I was like, I sounded like a Zulu girl. I'm like, yeah. But anyway, I just felt proud that I actually sounded good in a different language. I'm Tswana, if you guys did not know. So I know how to greet in Tswana and stuff, but Zulu, whole different field. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted to like do a quick intro and tell you guys we're gonna spend the night together. Yay! So let me finish doing my hair and washing the dishes. I don't think I'm gonna film that because ew, not ew, but like that's so boring. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my hair, like once I have like 2 strands left, like how I curl it. It's gonna look so good. This is what I did for my birthday hair, like how I curled my hair on my birthday. It looked so good. Like I liked the curls, so I'm redoing it again. So I'll catch you guys later. My battery is actually low, like my camera battery, so I'm gonna charge it while I do all these things because I still have this side to do. Like this side, I think I'm left with like 2 braids to like twist and everything. So catch you guys, I don't know when, but catch you guys. Okay, look. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys with this one because it undid itself. Okay, wait. So I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna show you guys how I do this curl. I wanna show you guys how we do this. So this is the strand of hair, right? Wait. The strand of hair. So you put your hand, you place it where you would want to curl it. Is this undoing? Oh no. Let's hide that. So it's not the same. I think this is the length I wanted. It's just that this side I was like so quick. But let's say I want it to be from here. So you can like start there. Depends on where, the length. So let's start here. So there's my string. And then we're gonna wrap it around like that, right? And always keep your hand here so that it can be tight. And then you're gonna hold with that your index finger, and then you're just gonna keep tying it around your braid. So tying the braid around itself like that, and just making sure to keep it together. And then when you get to the top, which is this part, you're just gonna keep twisting, and then there's a point where you're gonna start twisting down and not up. So you see now we like twisting up, right? The twist is going up. So now we're gonna twist down so that we can secure the end, and then you're just gonna twist it down like that. All right, and then when you got that little end, just twist, and then to fully secure it, you're gonna like pull it down, and then boom. All right, y'all, so let's go boil this bad boy. I got my hot water here, all boiled and everything. So I'm gonna boil my hair in the sink there. I need a towel first though. I need to go get a towel. No.
So what's the rush? Tonight is funny, we not drunk enough. too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I feel, cause I get buff. You told me you knew one don't make you miss a damn shame. You come here, I knock you off the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane? Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne? Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
The body is washed nice and clean, moisturized and everything. Now it's time for the face. So my night routine is for that really lazy girl that wants good skin but is not willing to put on the effort or put in the effort they need. So I use the Skin Republic Pure Retinol Serum. So this retinol, it says that it's better if you mask your face and then you use the retinol serum, but here we go, because we are a bit lazy. I like to do like 3 drops of the serum on my forehead and on my cheeks, and then we're just gonna rub it in. And then I go on with my scrub. Last but not least, you can create your own home scrub. I got the scrub from MAC Cosmetics, and then I put it in a little container because I was sharing it with my mom, so somebody had to like take one out of the thingy. So then you just like scrub your lips. The only thing I don't like about scrubbing my lips is having to wipe off all the sugar out of my lips, because it is so messy, because I don't think I do it correctly. So done with the lip scrub, because my lips have been so dry, y'all. My lips have been dry and they've been peeling like way more than they usually do, so I have to do the scrub just to bring in that moisture and just show my lips some love. Like I could put on like lip balm and like in a matter of like 2 minutes my lips are dry again, but they're not like dry. Like when you look at me, my lips look moisturized, but they feel so dry, and I'm like I need an intense scrub. If I had a lip mask right now, I'll put that on. Wipe it off with some tissue. Ooh, y'all, I can't wait to go eat. I told y'all it's like so messy. Look, y'all can't see, but like the sugar does not want to wipe off, but the what's it called, the oil wipes off and leaves the sugar behind. Like, but anyway, y'all, these are my lips now. I should have shown you guys the before and after, but now they look better. So y'all, that is it. I'm gonna put on my PJs and we're gonna have a meal. That is my night routine done. I'm gonna let the serum just stick for a little longer, and then I'm gonna put Vaseline on my face. If I don't put Vaseline, I put on my moisturizer, but I like to put on Vaseline because I find that it works so much better. Like my skin just accepts Vaseline better than it does like with the thing. I feel like my phone is ringing, but anyway, y'all. Alright, so it's supper time. Let's look aside. And I'm gonna have this KFC bucket for one. It comes with like 2 wings, a piece of chicken, and some chips. So very unhealthy, but that's what I'm gonna eat. And I think I'll catch you guys tomorrow because I'm so tired. Like I thought I was gonna film my whole night through, but turns out I'm not, and my mom is calling me. So see y'all tomorrow. I made my bed, clean, fresh sheets. Okay, and the dirty ones are in the laundry basket over there. I feel so proud of myself because I was not gonna make it, but I'm like, I just took a shower. I feel so fresh. I'm watching Gilmore Girls. I'm like, I gotta sleep on fresh sheets. Like, it's gotta be fresh. So my sheets are fresh. I'm so happy. Can't wait to get in, but I'm waiting for the food to settle down because I just finished eating at like 9:30. Right now it's like 9:44. So y'all, I'm really tired. I thought I was gonna do like an in-depth like 1-day video, but like I said, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. yeah, with whatever I'll be doing tomorrow. And maybe we can do the verse of the video tomorrow, because you know, today I am so drained. I thought taking a nap was actually gonna help me, but I think I'm just like tired, so morning, y'all. It is the next day. Like I promised, I would be back the next day, and I am undoing my curls because I do not like how they turned out. So I am undoing them and straightening back my hair, because I don't know, I'm just not feeling them. They don't look the way I thought they were gonna look. On my birthday, they looked really good. I thought I was gonna get the same vibe, but I am not getting the same vibe. So I'm quickly undoing them. So this side, I'm almost halfway there with undoing them. Here, I completely undid them, like feeling so proud. And then you guys might be asking, like, how are you undoing your curls? Like, how's that possible? I'm blowing my hair. So this is what I do. I take my hair. Oh, it's so dark. Okay, wait, let me show y'all here. I take my hair, right, and I pull it straight, and then I just apply heat on it, so a blow dryer, and then I just blow it while holding it straight like this, and then after some time it comes out like this. So this just took me like a minute for it to come out straight, but it's not super straight, which is okay. I don't mind the wave. So y'all, that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'll catch you guys, so dark that side. I'll catch you guys later once I've like showered and officially started my day. I just needed to like straighten those because I was not feeling it anymore. Right, so I want to give you guys like a quick demonstration. I look crusty, I know, okay? I haven't like taken a shower, but I did wash my face, but I just did not brush my eyebrows, so I'm not looking cute. Yeah, so anyway, I want to show you guys how I straighten the curls. But y'all, that's how I do it. That's how I get my braids to be straight again once they're curly. So note it, do it next time you want to straighten your hair, or you tired of your curls and you just want your straight braids. There you go, there's a trick. Okay, just make sure you don't burn your braids and then they're like all burnt up. So you just need to be careful with the heat and like the amount of pressure, heat pressure that you put on your braids. But there you go. All right, y'all, so that was a weekend in my life. We went from Friday, Saturday, today is Sunday. I'm dressed for church. It's kind of giving tomboyish. I don't know what I was going for today. I see the style and I'm like I just put something together. Let me show y'all real quick. So I'm wearing these jeans, white shoes, this shirt. This is from The Fix. This is from True Words. And the sneakers, Adidas, and I got the necklace from Fashini. So that is how I be looking today. So yeah, Sunday, church, and everything. My camera just fell, y'all. I'm so sad, and it screamed. It like did this loud screeching noise when it fell. So now like I can only like use it like close up. I can only use the zoom lens. I can't use the like far lens because it's blurry. Let me show you guys. So when I do the far, it gets blurry, but when I go on zoom, it focuses. It's so sad. It is so sad. It breaks my heart. It breaks my heart because whoopsie daisy, because I've never dropped my camera before. It fell off my tripod. Like when I stood up, it just fell. So It made me so sad. But let us do the verse of the video real quick. Okay, so our verse of the video is from 1 Peter 4 verse 8, and it reads, most important of all, continue to show deep love for each other, for love covers a multitude of sin. So what stood out for me in this like a verse of the video is continue to show each other deep love. Like, most important of all, like, this is God commanding us that the most important thing that we should do is show deep love for each other. So I feel like we should go out this week and see how we can show the people around us the deep love that we have for them. Even the people that we don't necessarily know, we can always show love in different ways. It doesn't always have to be like an intimate situation or feel personal, but it can always be also at a distance, showing love at a distance. So let us figure out how we can do that and be obedient to God's word. So y'all, that is the verse of the video. Thank you guys for going through my weekend with me. I didn't do anything active or productive, but I feel like it was still so fun and just relaxing before getting into the hecticness of school and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you may be notified every time I make a new upload. I love you guys to the moon and back on earth, but most importantly, Jesus loves you, and never ever forget that. Okay, yeah.